What's up, social media? My name's Dre Williams, and today I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of this adventure project me and my friends have been working on. Enjoy.
So heading to McDonald's now. Dre's all seated up, getting out his tech,
his tech bag.
Getting out my gear.
His gear. Let's go. All right.
I told you. Okay, relax.
Alright guys, so me and Dre just went into the Portage store. We ordered the canoe. We got a 3-person aluminum thing.
3-person aluminum.
The same thing. That's awesome.
Yeah, we're all in the same boat. Katie's getting more clothes on because she's gonna be cold. I'm gonna change into some.
I already am cold.
I'm gonna change into some flexible gear, and gonna grab some footage. Alright guys, we made it to this little island with the lighthouse. Dre's playing the tunes, Katie's keeping guard, some canoers paddling past us. Okay, so now we're gonna get changed out here to some dry clothes and then head back in the same place because they have a restaurant, get some food before our hike and extra footage. How'd you like that canoe ride?
It was physically stimulating, it was emotionally pleasing, and it was mentally enthralling.
Boom.
Alright, if you made it this far into the video, I'd like to thank you for watching it all. This has been a little return to form considering school has been keeping me so busy, but I'm just trying to get back into it, see if I can work on my editing skills and work on my photography skills. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like or comment on it, subscribe, and I will eventually have some more content for you. As for now, this has been Dre Williams. And remember, Soul Clone for President.